Hey everyone, Crash and Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. You won't believe what we got going on today. Not at all. 1980 Cadillac S&S Victoria Hearse, owned by world famous Al Stutter of Stutter Tattoo. McCullough Boulevard, check them out. Let's get into this. Al brought this into us, barely running. We got it running. Motor was junk. He found a whole truck, a 2000 Chevy truck, LS powered, that was rolled over, and he brought that truck to us also. So there's an LS under the hood. I'll show you that. Very, very stock looking. You can tell it's out of a truck LS, but man, it runs real good. And airlift, air suspension. It's sitting up high right now. Came in for a spa day here. Quick checkup on a few little things. And let me show you under the hood first. Here it is. It's obvious it was out of a truck. Went in not too bad. I believe we used the radiator out of the truck and the radiator hoses. Things kind of lined up real nice for that. It's got electric fans on it, and it's dirty. He dailies this. He dailies this, and it fits the whole aura of the whole ride, right? I mean, if you never open the hood, what difference does it make? Let me show you where we put all the air suspension components, compressors, and tank right on. Okay, anyways, check this out. Dual chrome Viair compressors, 444s, aluminum tank, water trap, cooling fan. There's a lot of this is all factory under here. Well, factory from the conversion company that builds hearses. Door comes down nice. Where's your air ride supplies? I don't know. Still got the rollers in here. Nice. Easy for hauling plywood. And the driver's compartment has the controller for the airlift. Pretty easy right here. Stock and original, untouched. Time to pull this out and drop it down. See how low she goes. Laid out, she's low. You saw that cross member hit the ground. super low with the chrome, vintage, old school Cragar wire wheels. Dirty, because that's how he rolls. He rolls dirty. Totally fits the whole vibe of the ride. Why clean it? Looks like it should be in maybe a Rob Zombie movie, huh? The villain car? Yeah, that's the villain car right there. His logo, shop logo right there. All right. What do you think we're pulling out of the hat next? Whatever your dreams are, we can bring them back to life right here. We did it. Man, I like working on anything. Anything that the owner is enthusiastic about, sign me up. Check that out. Man, it sits nice and low. Nice and low. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep giving you shop updates, everything that's going on here, including crazy stuff like this. I'd roll it all day.